if you want to succeed spectacularly in this business, you want to become a lot of people's favorite automobile salesperson, because here's how things work. In Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, right now, what percentage of the people are in the market for a new or used vehicle?
15%.
5. Okay? You know, how many of you have ever heard that it's important to ask customers for referrals? Okay. I think that's complete bullshit. All right? I don't think it's very effective. Sonny asked me if I know anybody in the market for a car.
Mr. Steve, do you know anyone at this time that would benefit from getting a new or used vehicle?
By the way, nice question. If anybody in the world would know, it would be me. Because anytime someone's in the market for a car, any of my friends who are not in the business, they come to me and say, hey, how do I get a good deal on a car? I know no one right now in the market for a vehicle. Your customers aren't going to know anyone in the market for a new or used vehicle. However, if I hear from Sunny once a month, I don't necessarily have to talk to her. I can get a voice message that says, hey, this is Sunny. No need to call me back unless there's something I can do for you. Have a great day. I'm your car sales lady. Okay. And she could send an email the next month that says the same thing. Am I going to forget Sunny's name? No. So, I'll be out playing golf, or I'll be at a party, or I'll be at a restaurant, or I'll be at church, or I'll be who knows where, and somebody sooner or later is going to say, hey, I'm in the market for a car. And I'm going to say, hey, you need to go see my friend Sunny. Okay? This lady took good care of me when I bought the vehicle, and I've heard from her every single month. She doesn't bug me. She's never asked me for anything. She's always offering to be of service. You really should go see Sunny at Harbin. That's how you end up getting 15, 20 referrals every single month. Now, it takes a while to build that up. You've already had an experience where I've evidently treated someone so well that they not only bought a car from you, but then both of her kids bought cars from you too?
Both of her sons.
Both of, yeah.
Yeah, her daughter's supposed to come back next month.
Okay, so that's a wonderful thing, but that's also a rare occurrence that happens. But if you don't fall into the 30-day world syndrome. What's the 30-day world syndrome? It's where we race through July and we do as good as we can do, and we end up somewhere on the board, right? You know what happens on August 1st? We start all over? Mm-hmm. That's the retail automotive attitude. It's month by month by month by month. July is now gone. All that's important is August. Come September 1st, August is no longer important. It only matters what happens in September. That's not a way to grow your business. Are the people that you sold in July, are they a source of future business if you treat them correctly? The people you sold in June are a source of future business if you treat them correctly. But if they don't remember who you are, they will not be a source of future business. That's why I think it's so damn important that you touch base with your customers. Again, you don't need to talk to them. If they pick up the phone, say exactly the same thing. It's a 35 or 40 second conversation. But if they're getting a voicemail from you every other month and an email every other month, it says exactly the same thing. The email would say, hey, you need to email me back. This is something I can do for you. I just want to let you know, still thinking about you. I'm here for you if you need me. Have a great day. Boom. That's it. They're not going to forget who you are ever. And they're going to have there's going to be an opportunity sometime in their life to provide you a referral or referrals. Because how many other salespeople in the country do you think are doing this? A very small percentage. You know why most salespeople don't follow up their customers? So they don't think they're going to be in the business very long. They're not worried about future business because they're just trying automotive sales till something better comes along. Don't do that. I mean, you'll be stunned at how much money you can make in this business, how many cars you can sell. I mean, I was at that's all, 33 a month. How did these salespeople, how do they do that? You think it's by catching fresh ups out front? No, they built their business. I know a fellow who averages 57 units a month. He's been a salesman for 6 or 7 years, so it doesn't take forever. But each one of them, in their own way, has made sure. I mean, they're marketing themselves. Almost all of them market themselves very successfully on social media, whether it be TikTok. I mean, I'm seeing some awesome salespeople, mostly ladies, doing TikTok videos. Have I ever showed you the TikTok videos?